everyone, myself Bhumika M. Annigeri from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, pursuing my first year engineering in the Department of Information Science and Engineering. The subject is Principles of Programming and topics are operators, types of operators, type conversion and typecasting. Introduction to operators in C. Operators in C are symbols that perform operations on operands. They can be classified into several categories based on their functionality. Understanding these operators is crucial for effective programming in C. Let's see the types of operators in C programming. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations. Common arithmetic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Relational operators. Relational operators compare two values and return a Boolean result. They include equal, not equal, greater than, less than. Example, if A is greater than B, it checks if variable A is greater than variable B. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine or invert Boolean expressions. The primary logical operators are and or not. Example, if A is greater than B and C is less than D, checks if both conditions are true. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators perform operations on the binary representation of integers. Common bitwise operators include and or not. Example, int C is equals to A and B performs a bitwise AND operation between A and B. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The simplest assignment operator is equal to, but there are compound assignment operators like plus equal to and minus equal to. Example, A plus equal to B adds the value of B to A and assigns the result to A. Increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators are shorthand for increasing or decreasing a variable's value. They are represented by two addition symbols, increment, and two subtraction symbols, that is decrement. Example, B plus plus increases the value of B by 1. Conditional or ternary operator. The conditional operator is a shorthand for if-else statements. It is represented by a question mark and takes three operands. Example, result equals to A greater than B, question mark, A is to B. Assigns the greater value to result. Size of operator. The size of operator is used to determine the size of a data type or variable in bytes. It can be applied to any data type including user-defined types. Example, int size is equals to size of int. Assigns the size of an integer to the variable size. Introduction to typecasting and type conversion. Typecasting and type conversion are essential concepts in C programming. They allow programmers to manipulate data types effectively and safely. Understanding these concepts can help prevent errors and improve code functionality. What is typecasting? Typecasting refers to explicitly converting one data type to another using a cast operator. It allows for precise control over how data is interpreted and stored in memory. In C, typecasting is done by placing the desired type in parentheses before the variable or value. Implicit versus explicit casting. Implicit casting, also known as automatic type conversion, occurs when the compiler automatically changes one data type to another. This usually happens when combining different types in expressions, such as adding an integer to a float. Explicit casting requires the programmer to specify the conversion, which can help avoid unintentional data loss. Common typecasting examples. Converting an integer to a float can be done using explicit casting. When dividing two integers, the result is an integer, which can be avoided by casting one operand to float. Typecasting can also be used with pointers, allowing for greater flexibility in memory management. What is type conversion? Type conversion is a broader term that refers to changing a variable from one data type to another. Unlike typecasting, type conversion can be implicit or explicit depending on the context and data types involved. It is important to note that type conversion may result in data loss or truncation if not handled properly. Conclusion: operators in C programming plays a crucial role in manipulating variables and expressions. Understanding the various types of operators such as arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment and bitwise operators is essential for effective programming. Additionally, typecasting and type conversion enable developers to adapt variables to different data types, ensuring seamless interactions between variables of different types. Mastering operators, typecasting, and type conversion is fundamental to writing efficient, readable, and well structured C code, paving the way for more complex programming concepts and applications. Thank you for watching the video.